Hey guys, it's ShawNshawN, the artist from ShawNshawN.co, and I sell art on eBay. Today I'm going to do a realist painting in inktense at the gallery. So I'll see you there. Gotta get these. These are just... Those mirrors are insane. You'll literally see everything. Alright, so we're at the gallery. No one's here. I can play metal or whatever I want to play. I play blues, to be honest. Kind of goes better with abstract. I don't know about inktense, but see you guys inside. Alright, today I'm going to do where I used to live. I didn't live on the coast, but I did live in Belgium for 2 years doing my master's. So the question of the day is, how many days does it rain a year? So looking back at the weather, it's basically 132 days, so every third day is raining. And I don't know how they actually come about this, because a lot of days it might be off again, on again, rain. So it's like, is it raining today? Is it not raining today? It's half sunny, half rainy. I guess it counts as rain. So a lot of those days might be a really light sprinkle, and then it'll stop and then come out again. People, when it is sunny in the summer, a lot of the cafes will actually just pop up, boom, like this, overnight. Tables from the back of the house, set up outdoor seating, and they'll instantly be filled on all the cafes. So people instantly, it's like mushroom sprouting in cafes. You'll see this in Brussels. It's really fun. Great coffee, great waffles, which they call gaufres, and those are glazed like donuts, so they actually eat them with their hands. So if you have a European ever tell you, you don't use a fork and knife with pizza or hamburgers, well, tell them, and you guys use your hands with waffles. Anyway, that's my question of the day. Thanks. So we just finished the painting, so let's take a closer look. I'll change this vertical. So I have kind of these clouds. I left a lot of white, so you do have the fluffiness of the clouds. I have this nice dark transition line with the ocean, so you see the really dark, that is straight, it's just the paper's curving, but I have a little bit of waves coming in here, more of the front, and I've lightened it up to kind of more of a teal color, so you see the shallowness of the water. I've added some plants in here, and I tried to do some dark shadows. It's kind of hard. I don't know if it's kind of a blue or it's kind of this gray. I'm trying to make it look like sand. I think it reads like sand. Not a whole lot of contrast. So overall, I think it's a pretty good painting. It went really quick. I didn't think it'd be that quick. Obviously, once I edit it, it'll be a lot quicker. Right now, there's huge gaps in it, but you guys won't see that. But yeah, it's pretty solid, I think. Really nice. I did the midpoint right in the middle because I based off a photo. Normally I don't do that. I do it kind of on the third line, so either 2/3 up or 2/3 down. So you get that nice balance that kind of is appealing to the eye. But overall, I think there's kind of a center point right around where these weeds come up. They actually, in the photo, they're much taller. They actually go into the ocean, but considering this is inktense, I don't know if that's gonna work well. It may or may not. And I think for the composition, it's fine. They don't have to be that huge. Maybe it's a little further back from what the photo is showing. Overall, I think it's a pretty good painting, but hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe below. And hope to see you on the next video. Thanks, guys.